Large LCD with 10-line display is the first for a cash register of this class. Not only registration has become easier, various settings have become smoother as well. Also built with an adjustable tilt mechanism for easy viewing, and a backlit LCD display will provide high visibility in a low-light environment. Customer Display of Better Viewing offers a pop-up swivel and 2-line LCD with the ability of character display. Using PC programming tool helps users to save time and enables easy settings. Setting data can be programmed to the cash register via SD card. Data can be saved just by switching the cash register to Z mode and pressing the key. Offers easy viewing of sales data by using a PC. Journal output is also possible. Thermal printer with a low operating sound is ideal for quiet atmosphere. Its quick print speed will not have to make customers wait. Another feature of Casio's cash register is the graphic logo. Logo can be chosen from the pre-installed designs. The latest functions and design that help create the ideal shopfront. Casio Electronic Cash Register. Stroke key model for those who have a wide range of business. Combination key model for hospitality business. Casio.